Hey guys, today I'm going to tell you how to delete all your Facebook photos at once. If you're using Facebook and you want to delete your Facebook photos, let's see how can you do that. You have to simply open your Facebook app here, then tap on this menu option, and then tap on your profile to open your profile page. Once you get your profile page, you just have to scroll down and you will get the manage post option here. You must have to tap on manage post and you'll get all of your posts. Just select the post which you want to delete and I have selected photo here. Just tap on this next option, then tap on delete and it will be deleted. Or there's the second way, if doesn't work for you, you have to tap on these three dots under your profile option. Here tap on this, then select activity log, and here you have to select public post option. Once you have selected public post, you just have to tap on the public option again to remove it from here. And here you can see there's your posts, photos, and videos. Now you will only get your posts, your photos, or your videos. Now, if you want to delete, just select your photos or the videos that you want to delete. Once you have selected, tap on this recycle bin option, then tap remove to trash, and it will be removed or it will be deleted here. Now go to your profile option again, and you have to check if it has been deleted or not. So you can see that has been successfully deleted. So in this way, you can easily delete all of your Facebook photos at once. Thank you very much for watching the video. Until next video, bye bye.